Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I accepted Christ in 2011, the end of my senior year in high school. I didn't really grow up in the church. My family occasionally went, but I went to a youth group while I was in elementary school, so I knew about Jesus, but I didn't accept him. So I have trust issues with people, and I always had walls, and I always strived to be perfect throughout high school in sports and in grades, so I would make my parents and more specifically my dad proud of me. And then I also worried about my future because I wasn't really sure where I was going in life, like where my career would take me if I went that way, and where I would end up if I died. So after I accepted Christ, all my worries just went away, and I didn't have to worry about my future plans because I knew that He was there leading me. I had more confidence and I was more open with people. I didn't have my walls anymore, and I loved people more willingly and openly.